I'm Wilson, and I'm the web lead for Empathy Bytes. And what our team essentially is responsible for is the development and design of the Empathy Bytes websites, its visuals, and all of the backend content as well. Yeah, this semester our primary goal has been completely revamping the website actually. So our website in prior semesters has traditionally been a WordPress website, and we found that there was not a lot of flexibility with what we wanted to do, and the website itself didn't really look that great. We wanted to transition it to be more up to date with modern web standards and design practices. And we thought that a good way to go about it was to create it from scratch. So basically we're starting all over this semester, and we've been working across the design and development teams to create a cohesive vision for what Empathy Bytes should look like for people who are entering the website for the first time. So I consider myself a people person, even though I'm really an introvert. I really enjoy understanding people, their stories, and their experiences. And a big part of Empathy Bytes is discovering communities on campus and learning more about community members. And from that, you can start to understand everything that's happening on campus, because Georgia Tech has, I believe, 30,000 or so students across its undergrad and graduate population. And there's a lot of different communities on campus, a lot of different places where people find themselves, call themselves home, find places to interact with other people and learn about really cool things. So as a single undergraduate student, I only ever get to see a small slice of life in the communities that I'm a part of. Getting to understand the communities that a lot of other people are a part of and how that shapes their identity, how that shapes their experiences is really fascinating to me. And I think that being able to share these experiences with others through journalism, through research, and through emerging technologies is really integral to building a better overall community on campus. At the moment, throughout the semesters I've been a part of Empathy Bytes, we've been really low-key. We haven't really publicly advertised ourselves, and part of that has to do with the fact that we're still working on building our website, our apps, our identity, and so a lot of that isn't ready to really show off to the public yet. But what I would really like to see in the future is to see Empathy Bytes have a more public presence after everything is done and after we're ready to show our site, our stories, and our communities. I think it would be really cool for the larger Georgia Tech community to actually see the work that we've done. Honestly, the favorite part this semester has been working with new technologies. I've really been driven out of my comfort zone because the last few semesters we've primarily been working with WordPress, as I said, which is mostly just, you just type text in, you just put media assets in, and it's done, it's published. But what we've had to do this semester was we've had to start building stuff from the ground up with what technologies we should use for our backend, for our content management, for our front-facing site appearance. And so getting to really work through all the stages of that process there's been a lot of ups and downs and definitely a lot of stuff to work out, but I think the whole process of learning how to develop that experience from start to finish has been really fun.